Good morning, boys and girls. I am not here today. I'm absent today and tomorrow. So I wanted us to still be able to do our normal schedule, so I went ahead and recorded our lessons for these 2 days. So please watch them. All right, today we're going to go ahead and look at our birthdays, our 7 mindsets, and what's coming up for the week. Our quote for today is, knowing what's right doesn't mean much unless you do what's right. It's kind of like actions speak louder than words. You can know what's right, but if you do something wrong, it doesn't really matter if you know it, right? All right, let's look at our welcome. Well, what's the deal, Banana Peel? What's kicking? Chicken? I love those. You feel free to say one because they're just kind of fun to say and put a smile on my face. This week we have 3 birthdays. Jaden, Silas, and Rhonda are all turning 10, and next week Mia is turning 10. Happy birthday, you guys. All right, we're going to watch a quick video. All right, so I love that video. I hope you guys did too. I loved it because it just shows you don't have to be powerful, you don't have to be rich, you don't have to be famous to make a change in the world. What can you do right now to make the world a better place? What act of kindness or what's something that you can do nice for someone else that makes their world a better place? We can affect people in our world, in our house, our friends, our family, doing something nice for someone else. And it doesn't cost money. Maybe you help your mom with the dishes, and maybe you play with your little brother. There's lots of different things we can do to make the world a better place. All right. What are we learning this week? This week we are looking at spaceflight and ELA. Tuesday you will be doing Stride ELA intern. Okay, so make sure You look at that. You won't have a normal ELA lesson. You have to do this one. And Monday, it's going to be the Stride math and turn. Okay? We're going to be still looking at angles, adding and subtracting fractions. We're going to start. Okay? Science, rocks, minerals, and crystals, history, world explorers, and art, unit 2 test, waving the flag. Okay, so make sure you're logging in, checking out your daily plan, and doing what you're supposed to be doing, okay? Now tell me, oh, that what got messed up. That's okay. I want you to tell me how you can change the world. So you can send me an email, or you can send me a little video, or maybe a picture of something you did nice for someone else. I want to know. Okay? And I'll think about it too, and I'll do something and I'll share with you guys what I did. All right, so our quarter one is almost over. Can you believe it? I cannot believe it. So attend all of our homeroom live sessions for Monday and Tuesday. They will be recorded. So check your email, watch them. And I'll be recording them for small group sessions as well. But then Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, it's back to normal. So make sure you're logging in and doing what we're supposed to be doing. Be sure to do your summit courses before Stride. Stride is fun, but it's optional. So do summit first. Please watch your pathway videos and check your emails every day. Remember, this is your pathway. The video link is right here, and I will email it to you. Okay? All right, you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. And take care, polar bear. Out the door, dinosaur. So long, King Kong. Be sweet, parakeet. All right, my friends. Have a great day. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.